So today we're going to be learning how to apply prepayments in the apply patient payment window. This could be helpful if you have a number of patient prepayments to apply. You can easily enter them using the apply patient payment window. In order for you to be able to apply payment and then apply patient payment window, you would need to follow the following steps. To start with, you would need to click on payments and then apply patient payment. You go ahead and select the patient that you would like to work on from the lookup window. And then in the prepayment information, you're going to show the patient's current prepayment balance, and you're going to go ahead and click next to be able to apply these. You might face this error, which says, please specify a transaction code. This is going to usually happen if this is the first time you're applying patient payment from this window. And once you add the information, it could be defaulted for every time. We click OK and then to choose the patient payment. You can randomly choose card check or cash, depends on how did the patient pay. And then for the write-off, say your tax payment, maybe by default. Then you're going to click on next. Before you can apply the prepayment, you have to select the prepayment and designate how much money you would like to apply. So you can go ahead and select prepay from here. And then the select prepay window opens. This window actually displays all of the available prepayments for the patient. You can leave the check mark in the apply column for any prepayments that you would like to apply the money from, or you can uncheck the ones that you don't want to apply the payment from. And after you have selected the prepayments you want to use, you can go ahead and enter the amount you want to apply in the second apply column. From here, you can enter the entire prepayment balance, or you can enter partial amounts if you have selected more than one prepayment. And then you can enter the amount you want to apply for each prepayment and then click OK. This takes you back to the apply patient payment window, where you notice the prepayment amount field reflects the amount you would like to select. And after you're done, it takes you back to apply patient payment window, where you notice that the prepayment amount field over here reflects the amount you selected in the previous step. From here, you apply the prepayments like apply regular payments in the apply patient payment window. Got two options to enter the prepayment amount at the top section. And once you apply it over here, the prepayment column, this allows the prepayment to get reflected on the entire billing itself, where you can go ahead and enter the amount in the prepayment field at the bottom. This is your second option. It's going to apply to a specific line item. You have to apply the entire amount in the prepayment amount field before you can post. Once you have finished applying the prepayment, you can go ahead and click on post. And once you're done, it takes you back to the first patient payment window, and you can go ahead and choose another patient and continue applying payments or prepayments, or you can go ahead and close it.
Don't compromise. Go microwise.